guys, I am back. We're gonna finish this computer, hopefully. Oh. Windows 7 Service Pack 1 is now installed. Close. I gotta get internet on here. That's my next thing. I have to run a cord though. So my thing is, there's a cord. Where in the hell is it? Where in the hell did you go? There it is. I gotta run that cord through the house. See? I'm gonna run this cord.
Medications, homemaker service, self-contained and more. Home care extended is available 24 hours a day. They have hourly, weekend, and
Custom Computers, 218 South Ridgeway Drive. Computers, sales and service with a large selection of new and used computers, printers, and copiers. Re-diagnosis and complete computer repair, including virus and spyware.
Hold on.
And custom.
Okay. Had a little knot I had to undo. So now we're gonna plug it into my router. Better yet, that's too hard to get to. I got a switch I can plug it into. See? Switch. There we go. Now I need to find a smaller, shorter Ethernet cable. That one's gone. Oh wait, no, it's right here. See? Now I just plug this in there. Plug this in here, and I should have internet if the switch is working. There it goes. Picking up the network. There it goes. Okay, we got that done. Sorry about all that. Pocket will just work. Okie dokie. It's working. They've moved to GeForce.com for the drivers, so the GeForce GTX 680 GPU is out. That's awesome. Drivers. Maybe it'll let us auto detect it. We'll try that first. Yes, we went around it. It can't be found for this device. Well, it looks like I'm stuck with the default driver for this deal. Let's try a manual one. No drivers are found. Well, it looks like we're just stuck with the fucker. Well, it looks like we're just stuck with the default display for Windows 7, so well guys, I'll see y'all later.